Just upload it to FB.
Okay.
Okay.
Hold on. Sorry, my video camera takes a second to load. Yeah.
This muscle here is the external oblique, and this muscle here is your xiphohumerales, your latissimus dorsi, your pectoralis minor, your pectoralis major, your pecto antebrachialis, your, and can't really see, well, on this side you can. This is the picto claris. Then we get the back ones. This is your spinotrapezius. This is your acromyotrapezius, clavotrapezius, spinal. Oops, I should do it this way, huh? Spinodeltoid, acromyodeltoid. No, I really can't lift it up. This is the clavobrachialis. I'm sorry, not the clavo. The clavobrachialis. Oh yeah, clavobrachialis. What am I thinking? Never mind. Triceps branchi, and that takes care of those guys. And then down here we've got. Let's do these two. This is your sartorius, gracilis. Okay. This is your gluteus medius.
Yeah, our fascia is not all that
It's a
great.
little bit easier to do it with tools because some of these muscles are kind of small.
We don't have all the muscles cut out yet either.
No, you do. It's just that I can't stick my finger under there. This is your gluteus maximus. This is your cauda femoralis. This is your fasciolata. And then this guy here is your tensor fasciolata, this little V-shaped muscle. See this one here. And then underneath it is the vastus lateralis, biceps femoris, semitendinosus. Did I get them all? Yeah. Okay, and then down here we have the gastrocnemius, soleus, pronatus longus, extensor digitorum longus, and tibialis anterior, flex. This muscle right here is the flexor digitorum longus. Okay, so we got those. Oh, and very important, the Achilles tendon.
We stopped at the radial nerve.
Yeah. Oh, you guys did?
No, we did not even get to the radial nerve yet.
Okay. All right. This is what's left of the radial nerve because they had cut it. So this little cream-colored thing. Huh? No.
Is that wrong to do? Okay.
Well, I mean, you can do it on this side if you want. Just to know it's here. This is the brachio. Yeah, the brachioradialis. I'm sorry, brachioradialis. And then on this side, okay, so make sure I get the right side. Okay, this muscle here is your extensor carpi radialis. The next one is extensor carpi. I'm sorry, extensor digitorum communis. These aren't quite all done yet, are they?
No, feel free to cut them out if you want to.
Okay. Okay, so we got. I don't need them. So we got the extensor carpi here. We have the extensor digitorum communis here.
Thanks for petting our cat's fur. Poor kitty.
Yes. Okay. And then this is the extensor digitorum lateralis. We got another one here. Okay. And that's going to be the extensor carpi ulnaris.
How many more do you have to go, Mr. Gray?
A couple more. Do this one here is the pronator teres. Let's make it stand out a little bit more. Okay, that's this muscle here. And this is the extensor digitorum communis here. This guy here. Extensor digitorum lateralis. And that's the other side of that one there. So this is the flexor carpi ulnaris, and then we go around the other side.